Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another edition of an old school soul food YouTube video. Today we're gonna make something so easy, so simple, so quick, and so awesome. And it's awesome for holidays. I'm still trying to do some holiday videos here. So today I'm gonna be making some pecan pie. Texas pecan pie, really. Pecan pie, that's a staple in Texas. And a staple at the holiday. I've never been to a Christmas or Thanksgiving dinner that don't have pecan pie. My pecan pie, I use pecan halves. I like to use the halves. Some people like the pieces. If you like the pieces, hey, it's good for it. But I just like to see the pecan halves. I think it looks make the pie look so much better. So anyway, let's get started here. The recipe that I'm doing, all these ingredients is on the description of the video. Like all my videos, the recipe is at the end of the description of the video. Please like, please comment, please share my page, please share my, please share my videos with other people so other people can know. So this is very simple recipe. All you do, you don't even need a mixer for this. We're gonna dump everything in the bowl. I'm gonna use a whisk it up, put it in a pie pan, pie shell, and bake it off. So what I'm gonna do, got the eggs here. Mix the eggs up just a little, not much. Okay, we're gonna dump the sugar in here. I got butter, vanilla. What's the corn syrup? And the pecans. I'm gonna mix all this up in here. Mix it all up good together here. All of the sugar. How easy this is gonna be. Some people think pecan pie is difficult. It's really not. So easy. No mixer included. No mixer needed. All good and coated. Okay. Now we're gonna take our pie shells here. I got 2 pie shells. I pre-bake my pie shells a little. But like I said, if you've seen my other pie videos, I don't like a doughy pie, so I like to pour-bake mine to make a barrier between the filling and the pie. Pour a little of that in there. Pour the rest in here. Alrighty. Now, another thing I like to do here, I like to take the rest of my save some pecans and put on top here. Make it look a little pretty here. It don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be all perfect there. Some of them coated, some of them not coated. And I have all this in the recipe, so you'll see when this come out how nice it'll look. And I like to leave the halves standing up, the round side up when I do like this. Just give it a better, all this does is give it a better presentation after the pie come out of the oven. You'll see once it's baked. You'll see once it's baked. And my recipe calls for 1 pie. I always do 2, but 1 pie is not gonna last in this house right here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm gonna put foil on top and cook it another additional 40 minutes. So it tells you all that in the recipe. So put it in the oven here. Like I said, we're gonna cook it for 20 minutes like this. We're gonna come back in 20 minutes and put foil over the top and let it cook another 40 minutes. Then it'll be ready. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. It's been 20 minutes, and what we gonna do, like I say, we're gonna take them out. How nice it's coming out. Then I'm gonna just lay foil over top of it. Just like this. Put it back in the oven. Okay, get a grip on it here. Put it right back in the oven here. Get the other one out, do the same thing to this. See, it ain't done yet, but it's coming along great. See, let's just eliminate the pie from getting too dark. That's the only reason I do this. Put it back on there. All right. And we're gonna cook it another 40 minutes. And we'll come back and see how it looks. All right, y'all, we back. It's been about 40 minutes here. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look how pretty that is. Oh yeah, let's check the other one here. Foil over this one. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful pies here. Pan here. And right there, look at that. Nice. Beautiful. See that? Then that's gonna drop down once they cool. That's gonna drop down, but let me set them right here. I have one here that I did the other night. I'm gonna show y'all. I did this one the other night. I'm gonna cut one here and show y'all how awesome these pies are. This recipe is. Oh, see that? Ain't go wrong with this. It's the same exact pie as this one. See that? See the filling in there? How the pecans sitting on top, how nicely they come out. Like I said, this recipe is so easy and so simple. Some people are intimidated with pecan pies, but they shouldn't be. You see how easy I made that, how quick it was? Mix it up in the bowl, pour it in the pie shell, bake it for an hour, voila. You got old school pecan pie. So anyway, like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a comment, and until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.